from the sales and distribution point of view itself, the first sales area is this one, and then in the you will find certain storage locations, and every module has a separate a mechanism over here. So here you have to understand, you have certain define, copy, delete, check warehouse number in the logistics execution, shipping point, loading point, transportation planning point. These are three important things. Warehouse number you don't need to, but copy the shipping, copy and check the shipping point. From shipping point 1000 to you can see the transport number ranges it is asking me and saying yes. So then you can maintain a loading point for the shipping point. So you can see this, there are three loading points over here. You can add a loading point if you want, RAM 3, 03. Okay, click on save. Maintain transportation planning. So if you can see, many times we are using this 0001. Where did we use this? Transportation planning. Where it comes? The sales plant. Transportation planning point, or in the metal master, where it is?
Sales and plan.
So there we were going to, we'll be going to give the transportation planning point. So within a company, so what is the planning point? We can always, but there many are there, like we have common, we have Europe, we have truck, train, air. There are many actually. You can use any of them, like sea, train, truck. These are all called transportation planning points. And coming to the coming to assignment. So there you can go into, this is the important thing, assign shipping point to plant. So you have to, suppose I want a plant 1010. If you can see, this is the new shipping point which we have recently created, right? 1010. I did not change the description, but this is the shipping point Hamburg which I have created. Do you have any doubt on this? The new shipping point which I have created. Hello? Is it fine? You're able to understand what are we doing here?
Right.
Yes, but Ravi, as we copied the shipping point from 1000, so in assignment, it will already been assigned to plant
Yes, yes,
automatically. So
yeah.
there's no need to assign again.
But we have to check, right? Whether
Yeah.
in the copy control, sometimes the copy, whether it's working or not. So in
But
case of
Ravi,
copy, that's
one
the
question
advantage.
arises here. When you create a sales order, will this shipping point will come into picture automatically there, or will assign to our order
Determination.
automatically?
You have to do it. You have to do a determination. Otherwise, how it will come,
Okay.
right? After shipping point to plant, you have to get into determination. Where is the determination actually? This is the enterprise structure we are done with. Then go to sales and distribution,
Distribution.
basic function. Automatically, it will never come. So come to this the basic functions, define delivery scheduling and transportation scheduling. So you have this defined scheduling by document type. What do you mean by scheduling? Let me take this delivery scheduling. System automatically determines pick, pack and loading time automatically by activating delivery scheduling. This one you have to do it, or if you have to work, if Kasif, to automatically to work, you have to do this.
Okay.
Pick, pack. So delivery scheduling, we have different You have to put it as shipping scheduling on X. Then check mark the transport scheduling. You see this one. In the RE and rush order, leave them empty because we don't want the regular scheduling to happen. It's a special scenario which this returns and rush order will follow. Delivery scheduling is only on the regular cases, not on the special cases or return cases. Remember that. In which case the backward process is required. What do you mean by backward? Backward means system determines the material availability date in the past. There will be something called forward scheduling and backward scheduling. Backward means system availability in the past. So define scheduling by document type we have seen. Okay. So if we have created any Z's, if you have copied, delivery scheduling is copied. Otherwise, you have to, if you define CASIF, if you define a Y or Z, you have to, you can see this. The copied one will have the delivery scheduling. Why inquiry is not having this? Why
As you said, it's
factories?
not on a regular basis.
Factory sale? It's a special case, right? Factory sale. It's not a regular
Yes.
case. So that's the reason we don't have. Wherever you're finding empty, these people have defined it. Okay. If you copy it automatically, the delivery scheduling also will be, that's the reason they copy. Because sometimes if you forget delivery scheduling, it will not work. So define scheduling by shipping point. Define scheduling by shipping point. So which one I have to select now? The shipping point new Hamburg and go to details. Go to details. Set the calendar, determination load time, pick and pack time. So loading time, if it takes 2 days, so give it 2 days. If it's take 1 day, take 1 day. So you can change it. Click on save. Sometimes the factory calendar may change according to your client. Okay. Don't think this is the only calendar available. There are many more. So let us take this 06. This is a 6-day week calendar. Okay. So according to your project requirement, you have to select this. Working hours duration is not at all required. So any other settings are required for this? What is the difference between shipping determination and route determination?
Shipping covers the scheduling, and the route covers or specific or shortest route possible for a delivery.
How can I find a shipping point determination in a document? A sales order is created. I want to find the shipping point, how it worked. How will I do it?
Shipping conditions, delivery plan, and loading route.
Shipping conditions. You mean shipping conditions? No,
Yeah.
I have a sales order 2325. I want to find all the, so how will you find it? I want to find all the shipping point related activities, how it has taken care. How will you find it? There's any way to find out? As if you're practicing, right?
Not last 3-4 days. I think because of
No, it
the
is,
reasons.
this is not this last 3-4 days related issue again. This is a regular practice when you create a sales order. What is your observation? Because I said analysis is important, not this customization. This customization will not come without your analysis knowledge. Do remember this. See, I'm just asking you a simple end user question. Forget about consultant question.
If we open this, if we go to any order and we go to head sales document header view, and we can see a shipping tab there, and it shows you the delivering plant and the shipping point detail
Header
related to that plant.
shipping is a header activity.
No,
Shipping condition plus loading
item
group.
related.
That means if I have 3 items, I'll have 3 shipping determinations, or how it is? Kasif, shipping is a header activity or a,
Um,
sure.
if we're creating a sales order relevant to one sales area, so it will automatically determine the shipping point for the all line items automatically.
You can see header, you can see item.
Yeah.
बिकॉज आपको एक आइटम हेड ऑफिस में पहुंचना है, एक आइटम ब्रांच ऑफिस में पहुंचना है, तो हेडर में कैसे करोगे आप?
Yes.
नहीं, एक बार बिजनेस एग्जांपल आप समझो। अगर एक कंपनी मतलब 10 आइटम
Okay.
खरीदेगा तो सारे 10 आइटम एक ही ब्रांच में जाएंगे? नो राइट, दे डोंट।
No. So item specific.
You can see this. All the uh, shipping determination will follow the your ship to party and shipping conditions from your ship to party details. Okay. Sometimes this delivery block is a different thing. So weight and volume is one thing which it'll try to check. So suppose if I go to environment, see आप लोग, see you guys have to again know the user perspective first, isn't it? If you go to the shipping screen, what it is talking? Actually the customization what we are talking about, these things, right? Loading date, shipping point. So we are just talking about, so that means, see, I am asking, suppose if you are a shipping clerk, example, or a shipping manager, you want to, you will see some loading information, you will see some shipping information. How will you see? That's what was my question. You have to immediately tell about getting into the shipping screen. You're going to get the details material wise. This is the shipping screen. If you go to the item overview, it's different, isn't it? Item is also gives a material based, but what are the fields in this item? Oh, you guys are not doing the analysis, Veera. There is a difference between the item view, item category, condition type, net price. So this is all, when you say item related screen and shipping related screen, how they differ, you have to be able to tell actually. So this is why we are trying to understand this shipping point determination. Suppose, oh, see, I'm trying to repeat the same. You have to first of all do this. You have to give that end user related knowledge. Otherwise, no need of customization. Don't practice it. See, I repeatedly say for everything, whatever we are doing, don't forget to do an analysis. So, do you guys accept that you guys are not doing analysis? Any of you? You're only coming for customization, like as usual, like many of the students. Yes?
Yes, you're right, Ravi.
Yeah. So this is what I'm asking. So it has given me a date of material availability of 2013, and you can see the delivery date is 16/8, but availability is 14, loading date is 15, and plant is 1200. It has given me a certain determination, isn't it? Total weight. So, and it is
Yes.
also, it did not give me a route because the route is not at all, not yet determined by the shipping point. I can block the delivery here. So you can see this. This is what schedule line category is, again related to your delivery line. The shipping is again related to CP. What is CP?
Schedule and category.
Which schedule line
Or
category it
order.
is? Deterministic MRP. Immediately I have to tell what is this, because you guys have to remember all these things. What do you mean by this requirement type? What is this? How it is picked to the screen? Just do the analysis. That's what I'm saying. Analysis means F1. The requirement type determines the planning strategy to be used for a particular requirement. What do you mean the planning strategy? It is for the production process. The link between your delivery, your warehouse, and your production. This is what integration knowledge means. Almost 100% people don't have this knowledge. They don't, because when we go to this level of interview, nobody answers us because they're not prepared to know what is requirement type, what is this schedule and category. How do you think this CP has come here? On what basis?
It comes on the basis of MRP, right?
Where? Which MRP? Where MRP?
From TU market.
How does this item, right? How did this tan come from? Don't you think schedule and category belongs to item category? Schedule and category. Yeah, item category plus MRP type. From where this MRP type is coming from? Again,
Material master.
from here, you have to select this. You should know how to play with the screen. Okay, display material. Again, go back. You should know what is the link between what we're doing here If you can see this here, MRP procedure. Can see this? It is saying that there is an MRP for this. If it is ND means no planning. There are certain products which we are trading from the external business. We don't have any PD. It is simply ND. So MRP type is this. So you can see this MRP2. So the link between this Metal Master and what we are doing right now, you have to have a clean understanding, because this is another thing. In MRP3 availability check, what we call it as 01, it's called daily requirement. This product is used on a daily basis. In the plant storage, do you have any shipping related information? There is no warehouse management for this, so you don't need to. So you have to go back and find out from where this schedule line category is coming from. As I said, because of the MRP procedure, it is going to decide. And another thing, you should immediately go into new session. What is the definition of schedule line category? Can anybody define? No one. That's your problem. Your concepts, as usual, you are only concentrating on the system controls, but no basics. So you will definitely, you will pay this in the interviews actually.
Schedule lines are nothing but confirming the
See, I'm expecting this answer from any one of you, where this item category is associated to schedule line category, and nobody have answered that. This is what I'm trying to get from you guys. And this one is from the material master. Just now I showed you, right? ND. That is also will be decision maker in the schedule line category. Item category plus your MRP type from the material master. Okay. So because if you would have remembered the definition, then you'll get the idea. If you don't remember the definition, you'll never get this idea. Okay. Got it? Or any doubts? What I'm trying to explain. See, I have taken you to too many screens within short time. That is how you have to also analysis. Did I do any creations for this? Did I do any customization? कासिफ, मैंने कोई कस्टमाइजेशन किया क्या आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए?
No, no.
लेकिन समझ में आया शेड्यूल एंड कैटेगरी कहां से आता है? आइटम कैटेगरी से. तो एनालिसिस नहीं कर रहे हो आप लोग. यू आर ओनली प्रैक्टिसिंग. डोंट कॉन्सेंट्रेट. सी, I will tell you, without even creating a single schedule and category, you can understand the entire topic. Even first time you want to create a schedule and category, you will create it because you know it. I have to go and assign it to a item category. You should know the concept first. You cannot come to the system and fight where is the schedule and category. Getting my point? Any field, any screen, what you see, you should know from where it is coming from. Isn't it? That is how the knowledge should be. When you come to the item overview, From where this product hierarchy is coming? Any idea? From where this division comes? Middle group, customer group, price group, price list, sales district. From where these things are coming from?
From material master and customer master.
They'll copy from the middle master. That's the reason without giving a sold to party or this thing, they'll not allow you to create a material, isn't it? Without giving a sold to party, they'll not allow you to create, because if you can see in this case, ship to party is also 2004. The same guy is doing the shipping, the same guy is doing the buying the stock, isn't it? And how this route is determined? So I think, see, you guys have to, can you work on shipping point determination? Kasif, can you create a shipping point determination and show the output?
Mm, I can try.
No, why try? Try करने में यार, what is there? Try क्यों करना है आपको? नहीं, see, एक ही चीज है. If you know the concept well, you can. That's what I'm saying. How many times you have quickly? Can you tell me what is the relationship between a plant and a shipping point?
Plant is a place where you make, store, and any product. Shipping is a point where your logistics starts. All the outbound delivery is related to one shipping point.
As a when you create a sales order, when you do a delivery, where are the places this shipping point will affect your screen? तो ये एनालिसिस नहीं करोगे तो ये आंसर नहीं आएगा कभी भी. They may ask, right? No, they may definitely ask, right? Why will they ask bookish question? What is shipping point determination? That's a definite question. Anybody will answer. So no, they'll not be interested, because see, what you can learn from the books will not be interested to ask questions in any interview. You would be interested only about your practical knowledge. As I said, how the schedule line category comes, from where it comes from. Immediately somebody has to say item category. Yes, I will not ask a question on that because I know that you are prepared. If you don't answer that question, that interview is over at that point. Because I know that I can confuse you in item categories. I can confuse you item category related pricing. I can confuse you in variant pricing. I can confuse you in configurable pricing. I will just not leave you in that point. This is how the interviews will, because we'll wind up. They'll say that another 3-4 questions. Say that thanks for your time, and our HR will get back to you. He'll never get back to you. This is this is the answer given by most of the techie guys. Because if I know that, even in pricing, hardly 3-4 questions I will know that whether you have knowledge or not. So basically, do remember that when shipping point determination, your mind is like a white paper. Write it. What is shipping point? Got it. What are the steps involved? Got it. But how the material master, how the customer master, how the document type, how item category, how schedule line category are playing roles. You write it on a paper. Have you ever tried that in that way, Veera? Do that way. Because in the regular method of click 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 create, because even if you see a book, even if you see a, because if I can Google it, I'll get the steps, isn't it? But if I know the concept, I can get the steps. If I don't know the concepts, that I don't know that activating a scheduling is required there is something called backward. So my client scenario says that even the backward stock situation also has to be counted in the previous stock situation, because previous stock situation is something 2 days before somebody have reserved certain stock, that also to be counted. So in that case the backward is used, right? Because that's what I say, most of the people to this 5005, you take this standard order, just study it. It means whichever screen you see, you should find relationship. So if you can see something called output, you should see what is this output is all about. You should see pricing agreements. If there is something active, no, it's not active. Why it is not active? What is this costing? There is no cost estimate for this. Configuration. Item 010 cannot be configured. It's not a configurable item. So like that, you will, if you find it, suppose, and we go to environment, availability check. Then see this. What is this analysis? These all are basic functions, isn't it?
Yes.
Material determination,
Exactly.
listing, exclusion, free goods, all are basic functions. So you should be in a situation to know whether free goods can be on from this place or not, from the off from this place or not. Right? Somebody may ask how to activate your free goods. You have to say that go to environment analysis, free goods and on. So okay, can see this. So material determination, listing exclusion, configuration trace. Do you want it or no? No, we will not activate that. Cross selling, account determination. We don't have switch off or switch on. So like that, you have document flow. So do an analysis, then automatically you'll understand everything in SD. There is nothing to fear. Oh. But 5005 is good. Okay. Because some data has been, some basis guys who practice, right? Sometimes they wipe out some data. But 5005 is working. Just take this information. Because for studying, I require any standard order. It's not one. So you take 5005 and try to check out all these options. What do you mean by sales summary? There will be a small summarized report kind of thing. It's called a classical report. There is some problem in the system that I'm trying to, because the new license activation has happened. So I think today also I got some mails. I have to test it. I did not get because tomorrow I'll get a new system in any case. Okay. So you, as I say, like you have to get into this shipping point determination, then get into this route determination. What do you mean by routes? Yeah, it is the transportation path from where you can define the routes here. modes of transport, shipping types, maintenance stages. So modes of transport means ship, air, road. Okay. Then shipping types, truck, mail, train. Like most of them are already available. You don't need to create in this connection points. So there are various points here. If you can see, you can, right now it is only a selection point. That's not a problem. Okay. And here is the, so where do you find this transportation groups? What mean by transportation group? Yeah. You'll also find loading group there, isn't it? So go to maintain route determination. So in this route determination, basically you can take, so based on the, what is the sea depth? It is country of departure, isn't it? And this one is destination country.
Destination.
Yeah. So
Destination.
we can set this source country and destination country, so like from which country to which country. This one is going from one region to other region within Germany itself. So like that you can copy it to a new region every time, and you can get into a new set of determinations, and this has to reflect in the, if you can see, from a destination country Germany to, suppose if you want to get it to US, it's already there. So most of things will be there here. We don't need to again create these countries. And you can see this. It will also ask you about shipping condition. What do you mean by shipping condition? Where do we see this? From where the shipping condition comes?
Comes from customer master.
From the customer master. So to ship to party. So if you can see this, suppose it's 0, 1, then this combination will not work. It is only in case of 0, 4. So if you want to, when it is 0, 1 condition there, and transportation group comes from, so in this what happens? The destination, the customer sold to party should belong from India. Then only this will work. Otherwise, this route 0, 1, route 1 will not show. Okay. So this is some of the, and this one, where it affects item level or header level.
Item level.
In the item level, after shipping point, yeah, after shipping point in the document, or in while you're creating a sales order document, you will see the route. So I've already shown you how to check the routes, right? If you check back the class, you'll understand where the routes are. Where are the routes? under the item.
Item overview.
The item overview, if you can see, pricing group will come. You can see this. Why 1200 given R00125? Can you guys tell me how to find out? I want this R00125 to be shown in IMG. Where it will be? How this has come to this document? You can also learn customization like this, right? To analysis. How this route has come here? I want to find it. Then where will I go? I have to go back to the customization, and I want to find out the routes, isn't it? Back. He belongs to Stuttgart. Yeah. Ship to party is in Stuttgart. So that means it's a destination, right? This one is destination or source?
Destination.
I have to find out the destination country as DE. This. Shipping point. What it was? Shipping point is how much it is? 1200.
100.
So I'll go back. It's R00125. I'm trying to find out where is this R00125. one is not R00125. It's, I'm trying to find, but it is not there, isn't it? So that means in this group it is not there. So because see, I should also be able to find out from where this particular 125 has come down, isn't it? Because from anywhere I come, I have to end up in giving the answer. So that's what I say. In the system level, it's not just learning customization. You should be in a stage to understand where this 165. Berlin is 155. This one is 205, right? Two zero four. So you guys are able to understand, right, what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to find how that output has come, from where it has come. There should be because somewhere there are many DED are there, so there is a reason I'm not able to find out. But as I search the number, exactly, I can show you the combination actually. Transportation group will come from middle master, shipping condition will come from your ship to party, and a route is automatically, because as the route determination is already set up, so route will automatically will be given. So it is from this screen it will come.
I found one Ravi.
Yeah, what is the number?
Route determination departure country 01. It's DE, D
Okay.
all zeros. And
D
one
all
is,
zeros is the one.
and yeah, and D
Okay.
70,000.
Is a
Destination country.
70,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Just a minute. Receiving zone is D 70,000.
Yes.
This is the one 7,000 we're talking about. Yeah, this one 70,000.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the one. So basically, because of the shipping condition 01, so can you guys find out the transportation group and shipping condition? You take this as an assignment. First find out and then do an example. And in your sales order, you have to show me a new route with ZO125, a new transportation group and new shipping conditions. Can you guys do that?
Okay.
right? Try that out. And when is the next session? So you tomorrow is either day after tomorrow. Again, it's not confirmed, right?
Yeah, Ravi is almost confirmed, but I'm not sure
Okay, okay,
about tomorrow. Yeah, it's almost confirmed. It's on Friday, but I'm not sure,
okay.
as I said.
It's fun because it's
Yeah,
only Friday you cannot come down, right?
yeah, Friday, yes. Yeah.
Right. So that's fine. So tomorrow, see, if I'm having in the evening, can you come down?
What time you want me to come?
India time, 8:30 p.m.
8:30 p.m. 4 o'clock.
I have to ask the
Okay.
other guys. What is it? I think 8:30 p.m. for them would be a working.
Yeah, for me will be 4 o'clock.
For them, it will be something. They'll be in the office. So for Veera, for you guys, it is difficult, right? Evenings India time. It's not for Murli I'm talking.
Yeah, it's difficult, Ravi.
For you to attend that session. Okay. See, basically, see, I generally suggest you guys to go with an analysis-driven learning and be very strong in the conceptual process. Otherwise, see, even one or two times, if you try, the customization will come, but the concepts will never come into your mind until you don't get into this kind of R&D related learning, research-driven learning. Okay, just change your strategy, all of you,
Okay.
But
right?
Ravi, sorry,
Yeah.
like you provided us, 4 different documents to read. My problem is I can't sit for 1 or 2 hours and read all these slides.
Kushmini,
I
see,
don't know. I
basically,
have
see,
this habit.
you just leave that book. Simply, you know that there is something called shipping point determination. ठीक है? You write it in the paper. Shipping point determination. उसके लिए
Okay.
only write one full page, some 10 points what you know. That's it. Forget about those books.
Okay.
Only write those things. So because shipping point determination, if you start reading 10 books will tell 10 types, every book will give you one new confusion.
Yes.
Take the system. On the system, if you are able to understand from where this determination is coming, because the basic formula itself says, you can draw the structure. Okay, this is what shipping point. Shipping point means we define the enterprise structure. Then we go and activate the deliveries. Then we have route determination. Based after the shipping point is associated, route determination. Okay, route determination is given something called weighing group. Without weighing group, it has SC, shipping condition, and the same shipping condition and transportation group should match to the material master and customer master. You have to write that points. If once you understood, close it. Never in your life don't read about shipping point and route determination. That's it. You have to take it as a challenge. Today I have to finish it. Otherwise, route determination. See, basically, I can tell you, you can also go and ask many people who are working. They're not. They'll not be confident in explaining you.
Hmm.
They cannot, because maybe they know how to customize and how to bring the output, but they don't know the real logic behind it. Because on the spot they don't remember. But you guys are going newly into the job. You should remember everything here. For a person who is working, he may or may not remember transportation group. But for you guys who are going new, okay. So I would. So I think only Friday is a problem for you, right? Saturday is not an issue for you.
Yes, only Friday. Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Right.
No,
Right.
Saturday is busy, but I will come for class. No
Okay.
issue.
Okay. Yeah, you'll have relatives and all this stuff.
Yeah, lots of them.
Absolutely. Right then. Catch you back. So tomorrow 7 o'clock morning we
Saturday.
have a regular session. Murli and Veera.
Yeah, yeah. Ravi.
Right then.
And this one, Ravi, when is next?
Okay.
This one I'll just mail you after this session.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Right. So I see
Okay,
on my on
Ravi,
the website I have the Facebook link because which is newly added on that means for the classes. So I will be updating that all the sessions on that Facebook. So So do go to my thing and click on follow or like. Automatically, you'll get the updates.
Okay.
Okay, right? Because you'll get it to your mobiles.
So,
No need of opening your
so Ravi,
mails.